What's going on, guys? There's the other cord. This is just gonna be a parts car. Just stripping it for parts from my blue one, as you could see. Here's the H22 for the blue Accord. Like I said, if I didn't get the other one running, I would throw this engine in there. This H22. So I'll be getting everything out of this car. So as you can see, somebody lowered this car way too low, but for parts, it's pretty good for parts. Picked it up for a pretty good deal, so can't complain. Got it. The plan was just to buy the engine for this car. I thought about fixing it up, but it needs too much work, so I'm just gonna get it for parts for the blue one. So that'll be a good one. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And respect all builds.